Hello everyone, this is Abhinav Jha and I welcome you all to this special session of engineering branch hacks by me. Okay, so I am myself Abhinav Jha. I am BTech in IIT Nagpur. I am also teaching in the JEE English channel, which all of you are following. And please do watch the videos posted by me and my team on this channel because this thing is going to run throughout the year, and obviously we are going to cover all the concepts in physics, chemistry and mathematics. So guys, please stay tuned to this channel and do watch and support us. So guys, in this, first of all, we have to understand that uh, engineering branch hacks. So what is this? So what happens is, like, after our BTech, we are confused. Like, if I am wanting to do BTech, so which branch I have to choose? So we all are confused. Like, yeah, what should I take? Shall I take CS? Shall I take electronics, communication? Shall I take mechanical and civil? My friend is taking that, and who is taking what? So everyone is confused, right? So that is a general scenario which everyone feels that, yeah, which position should I go? Yes, hi Sandeep, hi everyone. Good evening to all of you. So guys, in this thing, what we try to do is, first of all, we have to understand that which are the branches possible. Okay, so we can be having a very detailed and dedicated strategy in order to choose our branch. That is very, very easy to do. It's not difficult. So we all know that there are 7 branches which are mostly very, very important, 7 or 6 or 7 branches. So which we can obviously have a choice of. Like, we can be taking computer science engineering, electronics and communication engineering. Double E is actually electrical, pure electrical engineering. And then we also have electrical and electronics engineering, mechanical and civil engineering. These are the top branches which everyone aspires to. And if you get a rank under 4,000 in IIT JEE Mains and Advanced, you are able to get these branches specifically in each and every one, whatever you want to. Okay, so IIT JEE Advanced, if you clear with a ranking of around 4,000, you can get the top branches in the desired colleges. Fine. Similarly, for NIT, if you get under around 8K or 9K rank, so obviously you can get into the top NITs as well. Now, coming back to the other branches. So we have got other branches as well, like chemical, metallurgy, aeronautical, aerospace. Like, a lot of students have interest in aeronautical engineering right now. And also some are like pretty interested in taking up physics. So these are other branches also which we have, like chemical, metallurgy, aeronautical and engineering physics. So in IIT Bombay especially, we have designed courses for aeronautical engineering. So if you want, you can try IIT Bombay. There's a seat available for you guys. Okay. Moreover, chemical and metallurgy are pretty famous branches which are also available in one of the few, like, top NITs as well. Like, chemical is also very famous of Mumbai, ICT Mumbai. Everyone would know that. Hi everyone. Okay, so guys, this is really, really important. So next is computer science. Why to choose computer science? Let's suppose I want to choose computer science engineering. So what should I like, and will that be sustainable? Because obviously guys, if we take up any random branch and it is like very, very hard for us to deal with 4 years, it is a very bad choice. So we have to decide it now. If we are in 11th, if we are in 12th, or also if we are just writing the exam right now, we should have clarity over the concept that we will take a particular branch or not. And I'll tell you, like, most of you are confused. Like, I was also very confused when I was doing my BTech. So guys, that is a very, like, general thing which everyone faces. So I will tell that what are the aspects. If you like computer science, then you can obviously take up that. So first thing is, if you have love for coding, few guys start coding nowadays in 10th grade and 11th grade. You already have that, like, in C++ is also there in few of the schools now. Java and Python also you guys are learning. So if you love that subject, okay, if you really like coding, so obviously, yes, so a lot of people like Python, right? So if you like it, love it, then definitely computer science is going to be your cup of tea, because this, my dear friends, is the branch which gives you the best package initially. Okay, initially, that's the word I am mentioning. Initially, across India as well as abroad. In US, you get a lot of jobs in the colleges, lots of companies come, and if you like that, definitely you can choose it. Okay, So guys, that is really, really important. If you love coding, just go for it blindly. Go for computer science engineering because that has lots of scope and you can really excel. Okay, next, let's suppose if you don't like coding as if now, or you have been not given time to like coding, isn't it? Obviously, because you guys are preparing for JEE, so it's like very difficult for you to develop interest in coding because you're not giving time. You are actually what I can say, you are not giving time, so obviously interest won't develop. So something like, because we are giving a lot of time to physics, chemistry, mathematics, so automatically like there is a lesser chance that we can develop interest and love for coding. So then if you like permutation combinations, if you like permutation combinations, or if you like probability, or you like logical reasoning, isn't it? Logic reasoning, lot of coding questions you would have heard of, right? Pattern recognition, है ना? Like cat level, if you would have seen cat level examination. So if you just search logical reasoning, है ना? These kind of aptitude level problems, if you like them, then definitely coding will be a good thing to go ahead with, and computer science is something which you can obviously take up. Now, one thing is, guys, the thing is, lot of people can also decide that I don't like this, isn't it? Like I did. I never liked C++. Yes, I scored good enough marks, but then I didn't like it. I was not having interest. PNC, I was having fear of. Probability, I was having fear of. But later on, when I started learning in depth, then I developed interest. But it was not like I was totally into PNC and probability. So the thing is, guys, if you don't like it, definitely you should cross it, because first thing is that what you should do is you should know what you don't know. Okay, so here we don't like this, so definitely cross computer science and go for the other branches. Okay, guys, chalo. Now let's look into ECE, EE, and EEE. So ECE means electronics and communication engineering, EE means electrical engineering, and EEE means electrical and electronics engineering. Okay, so if you have interest in semiconductors, like suppose 12th grade student, let's suppose any 12th grade student is there, so he has learned semiconductors, let's suppose, and he likes current and electricity from 9th and 10th grade. He likes those charts and those triangles and the questions based on the electricity and current, all those things, he likes it. So he can definitely go for ECE, EE, electrical. Okay, because there you can also move into robotics. If you like robotics, you want to reach robotics, you want to become a robotical engineer, you want to develop all those things, definitely, guys, ECE is one of the things which you can obviously pick. Then if you like electromagnetism, guys, if you like electromagnetism, then definitely in the 12th grade, because 11th grade students won't have idea of these chapters, I understand, but if you are in 12th grade, definitely you can obviously focus and try to understand that this is my cup of tea or not. Okay, now differential equation in mathematics, you have learned differential equations, right? So this is also a very interesting chapter in mathematics which is used thoroughly in your BTech. Okay, if you are taking these branches like ECE, EE, and EEE, definitely differential equations, if you like, you can obviously take up these subjects as well. But along with, most important is you need to like semiconductors, electricity, and current chapter. Okay, guys, now let's swiftly move on to mechanical and civil. So like, guys, if you are interested in mechanics, if you love mechanics, like a lot of students love mechanics, right, from the word go, like I also did, so I took up civil engineering. So guys, if the thing is, if you really love mechanics and you like solving equations, like solving problems, like solving all those kind of stuff, definitely mechanical and civil you can choose. Because then, guys, what happens is you have because civil and mechanical have a lot of mathematical based equations and construction, right? Because we are looking at forces acting on the system, right? We develop the structures, we developed a lot of constructions based on fluid mechanics and thermodynamics. All those things involve, all the things are involving your mathematical calculations and mechanics. Mechanics means forces. forces acting on a system. Like you would have seen one chapter like properties of solids and liquids, right? Like stress strain, है ना, Young's modulus. All those things are going to go on and on and on. Highest packages, obviously, Sandeep, no doubt about it. Computer science, you get it. But I was coming to that point, right? Because these are core subjects. Initially, mechanical, civil, electrical, you might get little bit less. But with time, you get experience, you gain the experience. Then obviously, you reach a certain level. Then definitely your packages also go higher. Fine. So this is really, really important that if you like fluid mechanics, the solids, the structures, the stress strains, and the thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is mechanical specific. Okay, civil, this is not there. But yes, if you like mechanics, you like solids and properties, you like solving mathematical equations, definitely you can choose mechanical and civil, guys. Chemical is like if you love chemistry, then obviously you can choose chemical engineering, Ranjit. No doubt about it. Okay, now the thing is, if you don't find anything till now, if you didn't find anything till now, so then there is one thinking or ideology that do I want to do government job? Do I want to do any other job? That is one thing, है ना? So that is also really important. If you are not able to find your interest at the moment, so then guys, what happens is you can understand that okay, sometimes the parents also pressurize to take up government jobs, right? That is also there in few places, है ना? Sometimes we have interest to do these like GATE, PSUs, engineering services, civil services, right? IPS, IAS, all those things. If we want to do all those things, guys, then also like you can obviously take up civil, mechanical and electrical, because there you have core jobs. These are called as what? Core jobs. Okay. So these are called as core jobs, and then we can obviously get non-core jobs in private sector. So generally it is not what I can say is not 100% true, but yes, if you see maximum the guys who are from civil, mechanical, electrical take up government jobs, it is like more probability is there. Okay, and the guys who are in CSE, ECE, they try to go ahead with private job. ECE is actually having some kinds of coding as well inside it. Okay, you can obviously, because there's a lot of programming going into robotics, so that is why ECE has bit of coding. Okay, GATE is graduate aptitude test in engineering. After your BTech, you give that examination to get into the PSUs, public sector undertaking, like BHEL, like HPCL, okay, like a lot of other companies related to BARC, है ना? And then we have got ISRO, है ना? Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC. All those things are PSUs. So if you write GATE, you can get into all those things. These are also semi-government. Okay, guys, now let's move on. Like if we are still confused, like what to do. Now, if we are still confused, so then what we have to do then? So guys, then also like it's not all lost, because 50% of the students who come here in the colleges are like, I don't know what to take. I have no idea why did I take that branch. So this is a general thing, guys. It happens with everybody. So it is seen that around 50% of the students develop different kinds of interest in the college, or they change their interest. Let's suppose somebody wants to do, let's suppose somebody wanted to do, you can say MBA after college. Okay, somebody wanted to do engineering service after college, so he changed and he just went for MS. Or somebody wanted to do MS, he changed his mind and got into MBA. So all those things do happen. That is a given. It happens. So what I suggest is for them, you take up any branch in IIT. That can be like, I am telling you, like that can be chemical, polymer, right? The behind branches, behind as if they are not ranking specific. Like you don't get a good rank. So then you guys, because we have around 10,000 to 15,000 seats in IIT. So obviously that happens sometimes that you don't get the top branches. So what I'll suggest is, if you have nothing in your mind, like I have to take this branch or that branch. So what do you do in that scenario? Take up any good college, best college, whatever you're getting, and take up any branch. Now what will happen is that can be having mathematics, computing, that's one more branch, chemical, polymer, mining, all those branches student also excel. It's not like they don't excel. Okay, so what happens is you can obviously get into any of the colleges, top colleges, and then there you can develop interest in MBA, right? MBA like requires just aptitude. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. So that is how we have to go ahead with. So you can obviously target the management jobs in campus placement, which actually give more package than the core jobs. Package is on the higher side. Okay. It's not like so. And obviously you can do the corporate jobs you can do if you want to get into these type of companies. Fine. So this is also a given. And rest, let's suppose if you still didn't get anything, if you still are confused, then obviously you can follow your heart, and obviously you can obviously think about what am I good in, what can I pursue, shall I get into the other stuffs. These are just 4 years of your life, guys. Just enjoy. You just compete with the best of the guys. If you are competing with best of the people around you, definitely you are going to succeed. Obviously, as I told you, computer science is highly like people get good jobs in computer science in abroad, in India. And obviously there is a certain package associated like 50 lakhs plus 1 crore plus. 1 crore is actually abroad, it's not in India. So around in India, maximum you can hit around 40 lakhs per annum, 30 lakhs per annum. That is a given, you can get that. But it's not like everyone gets that. That's average is around 15 to 20 lakhs in top IITs and NITs. Okay, so in computer science you get a good package, but then ultimately the guys who don't like computer science, please don't take computer science just for the sake of like my brother is doing that, my like neighbor is doing that. So don't take up branches because your head will be gone. And obviously guys, in 4 years you will obviously become really like you will be like really like you won't like that particular thing to study. So that's why I'm saying choose whatever you like, and then if you don't have any interest, get in the best colleges. The competition will drive you towards the best. Okay, obviously yes, money is not everything. It is ultimately like we have to feel like every day when we are going to do our job, we should feel relaxed, we should love what we are doing. If you're not getting that, then obviously guys it will be really difficult for you guys to just join a particular college and then just going on with what is happening. Okay, there's also criteria of changing the branches in the college. Okay, if you, let's suppose if you have taken one of the branches like this, like suppose you have taken computer science or mechanical civil, and if you love like computer science, so then obviously you can reach computer science. You can reach computer science how? By getting a good pointer in first year. If you get a good pointer, but that is also very difficult guys, you should get around 9.8 CGPA. Okay, so you should be in the top branches and you should top your branch, then only you can get. That is very less probability that you can also do that. Okay, definitely Ashwant, my sessions I am teaching live on JEE English guys. You can obviously subscribe to this channel, and there I am going to discuss mathematics in detail. Already the classes have started. You just have to subscribe, and then obviously to from the now onwards you can obviously attend the classes. You can attend my previous classes as well. You can obviously change it guys, you can always change your seat, but then it is time bound, so accordingly you have to get on with it. Okay guys, chalo, that's all for today's session. Okay, hope you like the video. Please share, subscribe, and obviously join JEE English. My link is in description. You can also join our Telegram. Okay guys, thanks a lot. Take care. Good evening everyone. You can join my session at 7:30 where I am taking set theory. Okay guys, thanks a lot. Take care everyone.